not been drawing as much as I wanted to. I've just got an iced coffee, which is perfect to put my iPad. Oh my god, I just dropped my phone. Good morning everybody, welcome back to another vlog. It has been a while since I've filmed any vlogs, so I feel a little bit like I don't know what to film, but I'm gonna try and film a little art vlog. But I just thought I'd take you along with me whilst I go to work and like do drawing around working like my full-time job. To be honest, since I've started this job, I have actually not been drawing as much as I wanted to. I feel like I've been just so busy with it. When I get home, I'm like doing other things and then I just don't make time to draw. But I want to try and push myself to find time, because you can always make time for things that you actually love. But anyway, I've got to get going because I actually need to leave now. But I'll probably see you on my break. I'm going to take my iPad with me and hopefully do some drawing on my break, but I only have half an hour, so I don't know if I'm going to have much time. But yeah, anyway, I do want to finish one of my girl drawings from my previous video. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you later on. So I'm back from work now and it's 6 p.m. On my break I hardly got any time to draw really. Like by the time I went and found somewhere to sit outside and then ate my lunch, and then I had like 10 minutes I think to draw, which that time goes really fast when you start drawing. And I felt like, you know when you start to get really involved in the drawing and you just don't want to stop? I was almost getting to that and it was like I looked at my phone and I was like already time to go back, and it was a bit annoying because I just wanted to finish the drawings. Random, but I just clicked on this tarot card video and look at the first card that's popped up. This is basically who you're meant to be and your purpose and destiny. The first card is artist. How weird is that? But yeah, I just chose the card pack with that little ball on, like out of 5 packs. And yeah, I'm just about to start this reading, so anyway, I just wanted to let you know that. Morning. So it's 2 days later now. I've just got an iced coffee with ice cream in there and it's so good. It's really hot out today and it's like really hot in this car, so I won't be too long talking, but I did want to quickly show you. I went into this shop called Procreate. They basically had such nice stuff. As I walked past, I just had to go in there. So first I got these little earrings set, which I thought were really cute, and then this little hairband set of 3. I also got this pair of shorts, really nice and cozy, and then I got this, which I thought I'm gonna wear today. These boyfriend shorts, so they're really cute as well, and I thought this top goes with the shorts, so I got that as well. I really love the colours. These are like my favourite colours ever. So yeah, I'm really excited. Wasn't planning on going shopping, but yeah, I had to stop in there and get those. Oh yeah, and the basic reason I went in there is because I got my nails done. So these are my new acrylic nails. I really love the colour. This is the first time I just decided to go for pure white. I put a little quick video here of the old nails I had, which I got done just before New Year's Eve, so they definitely needed a change. They were so long and like hard to deal with. So yeah, got my nails done, feel good, got my coffee, but I'm going to start the car now and get this aircon back on because I am sweltering. Oh, that's a little bit strong. Let's wait for that ice cream to melt. Cool. So here's a new outfit that I'm wearing. Got my little denim shorts on, which is so nice. So I actually also went to Kmart and I'll show you what I got from there as well. So, well, these are actually from a shoe shop next to Kmart, which I saw. So I got these black sandals, little holes in them, and then these ones, which are really nice as well. And yeah, really comfortable. I also got this bag from Kmart and it has like this bit in the middle, which is perfect to put my iPad, and I'm gonna like take this to work. I also got this skirt, which I'm probably gonna wear at work because it's just so hot. It's almost like a jean skirt, kind of got that material, like jeggings I guess, but it's like a skirt. And I also got this from Kmart too, which was so pretty, I just couldn't resist it. What else did I get? I got something else that I didn't show. Anyway, we're going to go to the beach down south, Port Noarlunga, and we've just started packing the cooler bag. We're gonna go and buy a little portable mini barbecue. So we've got just some sauces, we need to buy some napkins and some like paper plates, got some tongs, and then just got some suntan lotion. And I'm gonna take the towel. We have also some little chairs and an umbrella that we bought last weekend. So we're going to take Cookie with us as well. Really excited. So I'll film a little bit when we're down there. Almost forgot to show you. Also got this from Kmart. It's obviously like keeps it cool for longer. So I thought I'll take that to work, and like I really love the colour. And then I also got this from my iced coffee. What is the temperature? The temperature. The temperature to... Oh my god, I just dropped my phone. Oh my god. This is like a new phone that I've got. Hold on. Ugh. Actually, I could have just... I can swipe across the front of this. It's a cool little phone that I got just before Christmas. 37. I actually didn't know it was that hot. That's pretty hot. But anyway, I don't know if it's going to be probably the same down at Port Noarlunga because we're quite far from there. Takes us a little bit of a drive. So anyway, we'll see you at the beach.